Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing your Samsung Smart TV with a clean factory reset. Before starting, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is powered on and responding to the remote. Grab your Samsung Smart TV remote and point it directly at the TV. On your Samsung Smart TV, press the Home button to open the main menu. Once the menu appears, navigate to Settings on your Samsung Smart TV. Use the remote arrows to scroll down inside the Samsung Smart TV settings. Look for the General and Privacy section on your Samsung Smart TV. Select it, and wait for the Samsung Smart TV options to fully load. Scroll down until you find Reset on your Samsung Smart TV. Highlight Reset and press OK on your Samsung Smart TV remote. Your Samsung Smart TV will now ask for a PIN. If you never changed it, enter the default 0000 on your Samsung Smart TV. After entering the PIN, a confirmation window appears on your Samsung Smart TV. Select Yes to continue resetting your Samsung Smart TV. Your Samsung Smart TV will begin the factory reset process. You'll see the Samsung Smart TV screen turn off for a moment. Then your Samsung Smart TV will automatically restart. Wait while your Samsung Smart TV loads the reset configuration. Do not unplug your Samsung Smart TV during this process. After rebooting, your Samsung Smart TV will show the initial setup screen. Pick up your remote again and begin setting up your Samsung Smart TV. Choose your preferred language for your Samsung Smart TV. Connect your Samsung Smart TV to Wi-Fi when prompted. Accept the terms shown on your Samsung Smart TV screen. Sign into your Samsung account if you use one on your Samsung Smart TV. Adjust picture mode settings on your Samsung Smart TV if needed. Adjust sound mode preferences for your Samsung Smart TV. Reinstall your apps on the Samsung Smart TV home screen. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV software updates are turned on. If not, enable auto update in your Samsung Smart TV settings. Test the responsiveness of your Samsung Smart TV apps. Open YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV to check performance. Open Netflix next to confirm the Samsung Smart TV reset fixed glitches. If an app crashes, simply reinstall it on your Samsung Smart TV. Check the HDMI ports on your Samsung Smart TV if you use consoles. Make sure HDMI cables are properly seated in your Samsung Smart TV. Clean any dust around the ports of your Samsung Smart TV for better connection. Restart your Samsung Smart TV once more after setup. Hold the remote power button until the Samsung Smart TV reboots. This clears temporary cache on your Samsung Smart TV. Once restarted, scroll through the menu to ensure your Samsung Smart TV is smooth. Check if channel scanning works properly on your Samsung Smart TV. Re-enable any parental controls on your Samsung Smart TV if needed. Calibrate picture settings on your Samsung Smart TV for the best experience. Confirm brightness and contrast levels suit your Samsung Smart TV environment. Test audio output on your Samsung Smart TV with a quick video. If sound is missing, recheck audio output settings on your Samsung Smart TV. Finally, navigate around to confirm your Samsung Smart TV is fully reset. Your Samsung Smart TV should now feel faster and smoother than before. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your refreshed Samsung Smart TV and see you in the next guide.